Hey everyone, welcome back to Bold Belief. Today, we're diving into something super useful, common phrases for daily use. Whether you're learning English, brushing up on your skills, or just looking for a refresher, these phrases will help you navigate everyday conversations with ease. So, let's get started. Greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello, hi. How are you? Politeness. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Small talk. How's it going? What's up? Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Take care. Making requests. Can you help me? Could you please? Would you mind? May I? I'd like to. Agreeing, disagreeing. I agree. Disagree. That's true. I'm not sure about that. Exactly. Expressing opinion. I think. In my opinion. It seems to me. I believe. From my perspective. Daily activities. I'm going to work. Let's have lunch. Do you have any plans for the weekend? I'm running late. I'll call you later. Time and schedules. What time is it? When is? How long will it take? I'll be there at. See you later. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these common phrases helpful for your daily interactions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bold Belief for more language tips and useful content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time, and take care.